Hey guys, episode 46 of the crypto portfolio series. So any of you who like some loss porn, as they call it, this would be the video. So we're £113,000 down since last week, which was a hell of a blow. I think of myself as a sort of fairly calm person generally about these sort of things, but even I was shocked by this. Still seems to be mostly the sort of green agenda sort of attack on Bitcoin, and sort of China supposedly banning some of the exchanges again. This has happened sort of multiple times, happened a couple of times in 2017 and sort of back in 2014, 2015 time. So they do sort of blow hot and cold on it, but I guess they're getting attacked on the green front with sort of coal power stations. There's sort of reports of disused coal power stations being reactivated to mine Bitcoin. So obviously that looks bad, and so I expect they're wanting to sort of crack down on it a little bit, but can't see anything sort of too bad. I mean, we had much worse than this in 2017 with the sort of like the Bitcoin Cash splits, potentially, splitting the community completely in half, and then there were sort of worries that one would sort of completely overtake the other, and maybe the original Bitcoin would have died. I think that sort of environment was a lot worse than what we've got now. I mean, yeah, we'll see. So Bitcoin down 26.5% for the week. Did sort of have a mega spike low down at sort of 20,000 during the week. But it's sort of recovered, but basically is still tapering downwards. Ethereum has done a lot worse, 43% down. Again, sort of this did have a hell of a run up really to sort of nearly or just over £3,000, I think it was. So Bitcoin was sort of stagnating a little bit while it was doing that, so no surprise that that's come down. Cardano basically followed Ethereum, nearly 43% down. Litecoin 50% down, no surprise there. XLM, Stellar 51.2% down. So yeah, some of the altcoins have been really taking a hammering. XRP 44% down, not too bad. Sort of similar to Ethereum. Omise Go 52% nearly. So a lot of these are just sort of 50 or so % down, the sort of smaller altcoins. Tron not doing too bad, 43.5% down. Bitcoin obviously moves the whole market, and then the altcoins sort of generally fare worse. Basic attention token 48% down. Power Ledger, very spotty sort of volume on this, so it's 25% down, not quite as bad as the others, but it's only a small cap. Dash 54% down, so that's one of the worst. And then the little sort of altcoin punts that I'd taken on, put some more into all 5 of these during the week, about £150 each. Obviously that's not panned out well. They've gone down even further since I've invested. So yeah, I've put £400 into each of these now, and take a look at Cocos there, £212. So lost 50% on what I've put in them just in a week. So yeah, that's the portfolio for the week. Pretty rough, but yeah, these things do happen. We haven't had sort of a major correction in a little while, so just as the portfolio gets bigger, the drops get bigger as well. And this is why I've been sort of taking profit during the good times over the last couple of months. But obviously I won't be taking profit anytime soon. I want this to hopefully sort of break new highs. Ideally, could be a couple of months, 2 or 3 months, and sort of maybe look to sell a little more Bitcoin at $65,000-$70,000, and sort of, yeah, what would that be, £45,000-50,000. So need quite a way to go until then, but I'm sure we can get there. So yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments below if this would sort of terrify you, and drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more. See you soon.